Starting in Outlook 2010, Microsoft added a new feature called Quick Steps. What Quick Steps allows you to do is to automate a number of commonly used features in Outlook and add them to single-click buttons that do everything for you in one click. The advantage of using Quick Steps is that you can combine operations together and you can turn drag and drop or menu operations into single-click buttons, which take seconds off the amount of time you do repeated activities. What I found is that using Quick Steps for converting emails to tasks is a handy way to add a number of advantages to the MYN system and the 1MTD system. The advantages are that, first of all, it removes the bug in Outlook 2010 that causes a new task window to disappear behind the main Outlook window when you drag and drop an email to the task icon. It also allows you to add and create tasks from emails from within the open email window. Without Quick Steps, you need to drag and drop from the inbox list view, which means you may have to close the email that you're reading and then find it in the inbox list view in order to convert it to a task. So for these reasons, I think this is a good way to go. Now, where are the Quick Steps features located? Well, you go to the Home tab and then find the Quick Steps section as I show here. Now, Quick Steps ships with a number of preset buttons, none of which I use. The real power comes when you add additional buttons, and so we're going to do that in this lesson. We're going to add some Quick Step buttons that allow you to convert emails to tasks. So, how do you do that? Well, first of all, you have to find the Create New button and click on that. And then the first thing you do here is just retitle the name of this new Quick Step. So this is going to be called Tasks with Text. And then all you do is choose an action from the preset action drop down. So scroll down and find Create a Task with Text of Message. And that's it, you're done. You could add a shortcut key if you wanted, and maybe a tooltip text to remind you of what this does, but you're done. Just click the Finish button. Now, what this particular button does is the same thing as a left click. Now, the first step to do this is you have to select the email in the inbox, and then you click the button. And now it creates a task with the entire text of the original email. So this is the same as a left click and drag operation to create a task. Now, of course, the first thing you'll want to do when you do this is that you'll want to over-type the title of the task and put an action phrase in there, and then you'll of course want to set a date as we normally do in the MYN and 1MYN system and set a priority. But after you do that, all you have to do is save and close, and the task will be completed, just like dragging and dropping. Now let's create another Quick Step, but this time to create tasks as attachments. That's the same as a right-click and drag operation in the MYN system. So again, what you're going to do is click on the Create New button, title a Task with Attachment, and then it so happens that there is an action already in the list that does this, so let's choose it, and you're done. So just click the Finish button, and you've now got the two buttons that you need to create your new tasks. Now, one thing that's very important to notice about this, notice how it does bring in the task as an attachment in this case. The email as an attachment in the task. Now, one thing that's important to notice about this is that you can use this from within an open email. So let's open this bottom email here. Let's bring it over so you can see it. And notice that the open email has a Quick Steps section as well. So you can create the email, the task from the email, right within the open email. This is a great advantage compared with the old system of dragging and dropping, where you'd have to close this email and then drag it from the list view. So that's it. That's how to use Quick Steps in Outlook 2010 and 2013.